Africa, how human activity is shaping the planet's biodiversity. Seedling, Introduction. Biodiversity, the variety of life on Earth, is essential for maintaining healthy ecosystems, ensuring food security, and sustaining human well-being. However, human activities are dramatically altering biodiversity, leading to significant ecological shifts. Deforestation, pollution, climate change, and habitat destruction are reshaping ecosystems at an unprecedented rate. While some changes threaten species survival, others present opportunities for adaptation and conservation. Understanding our impact on biodiversity is crucial for developing strategies to protect and restore the planet's ecosystems. National Park 1. The impact of habitat destruction, deciduous tree, deforestation and land use change. 1. Large-scale deforestation for agriculture, logging, and urban expansion has led to the destruction of vital habitats. 2. Rainforests, which harbor over 50% of the world's species, are being cleared at alarming rates, threatening endemic flora and fauna. 3. Habitat fragmentation isolates populations, reducing genetic diversity, and increasing extinction risks. Cityscape, urbanization and infrastructure development. 1. Expanding cities encroach on natural landscapes, displacing wildlife and altering ecosystems. 2. Roads, buildings, and artificial landscapes disrupt migration routes and natural behaviors of species. 3. Urban green spaces and wildlife corridors can help mitigate biodiversity loss by providing refuge for species. Thermometer 2. Climate change and its effects on biodiversity. Fire, rising temperatures and changing ecosystems. 1. Global warming is shifting species distributions, forcing many to migrate to cooler regions. 2. Coral reefs, among the most sensitive ecosystems, are experiencing mass bleaching events, threatening marine biodiversity. 3. Polar species, such as penguins and polar bears, are losing their habitats due to the melting of ice caps. Lightning showers, extreme weather events. 1. Increasing hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires are disrupting ecosystems and threatening species survival. 2. Shifting precipitation patterns affect freshwater availability, impacting both aquatic and terrestrial life. 3. Many species struggle to adapt to the rapid pace of climate-induced environmental shifts, leading to population declines. Recycling symbol 3. Pollution and its consequences. Oil drum, plastic and chemical pollution. 1. The world's oceans are inundated with plastic waste, endangering marine life through ingestion and entanglement. 2. Pesticides, herbicides, and industrial chemicals contaminate soil and water, disrupting plant and animal health. 3. Heavy metals from mining and industrial waste accumulate in food chains, causing long-term harm to ecosystems and human health. Gale, air pollution and acid rain. 1. Airborne pollutants such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides contribute to acid rain, which damages forests, soils, and freshwater systems. 2. Fine particulate matter negatively impacts pollinators like bees, reducing plant reproduction and crop yields. 3. Ozone layer depletion affects UV radiation levels, impacting plant growth and animal health. Fish 4. Overexploitation of natural resources, fishing, overfishing and marine ecosystem disruption. 1. Unsustainable fishing practices are depleting fish populations, disrupting food webs, and damaging marine biodiversity. 2. Bycatch, unintentional capture of non-target species, threatens dolphins, turtles, and seabirds. 3. Coral reefs and seagrass beds, which support marine life, are being destroyed by destructive fishing techniques like trawling. Rhinoceros, B. Wildlife trade and poaching. 1. Illegal wildlife trade is pushing many species toward extinction by reducing populations and eroding genetic diversity. 2. Overhunting of apex predators disrupts ecological balance, leading to overpopulation of prey species and habitat degradation. 3. Conservation laws and anti-poaching initiatives are working to protect endangered species from exploitation. Africa. 5. Conservation and restoration efforts, National Park, A, protected areas and wildlife reserves. 1. National parks, marine protected areas, MPAs, and wildlife reserves provide safe habitats for species to thrive. 2. Conservation corridors connect fragmented habitats, allowing for gene flow and species movement. 3. Community-led conservation projects engage local populations in protecting biodiversity. Herb, B. Sustainable development and rewilding. 1. Reforestation and habitat restoration projects help reverse biodiversity loss and improve ecosystem resilience. 2. Sustainable agriculture minimizes environmental impact while maintaining food security. 3. Reintroducing keystone species, such as wolves and beavers, helps restore natural ecological balance. Light bulb. Conclusion: human activity is reshaping the planet's biodiversity, often with detrimental consequences for ecosystems and species survival. However, through conservation efforts, sustainable practices, and climate action, we can mitigate biodiversity loss and work toward a harmonious coexistence with nature. Protecting biodiversity is not just about saving species, it is essential for maintaining the health of the planet and future generations. The time to act is now, ensuring that human progress does not come at the cost of the Earth's rich and irreplaceable biodiversity.